No.
Hi, Bear.
Stop barking, dog. Don't get on the door. Ow!
Another blackout. Oh, this will last 2 days.
Don't you just love 8 Mile in the summer?
Our dog is being very funny. She doesn't like the fact that there's a generator in our backyard now.
She doesn't like the fact that Uncle Stevie is here either. No, 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 no barking. No barking.
Like, she got sad when you said no barking.
No. 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 Barking. No barking. She got serious. Oh, there's a noise. No. No.
She's going to do it again.
No. Stop barking. Why is the coat all wet?
Because it's for saliva.
Ew.
Saliva. Saliva.
Saliva.
Saliva.
Saliva.
Saliva.
She's bored of that word now.
Bacon.
Nope.
Tongue.
Food.
Park?
No, don't say park.
Tom?
Dog.
Tom?
Tom is outside. That sounds like mom. No. Stop scratching you.
Stop scratching. See what you do when you scratch? Don't do that either! Not on camera! Why was I about to use my foot?
I don't know. Why do you ask me these questions?
I don't know. There. Go do it again.
No. No.
Just waiting for us to open the door.
So come on.
I'm gonna undo that thing again. Film it. Because I think it's very funny. What am I filming? Just film her. Okay. Hi. Saliva. Want the fork? You want the fork? You want the fork, Bear? Huh? You want the fork? You want the fork? You want the fork? You want the fork? I think she wants the fork. She is so German Shepherd when she looks at me when I say fork. Fork! Fork? Fork! You want the fork? You want a fork? Hey, hey. She's tilting her head! Bear! Listen, look at me. Bear. Bear, salad. Salad. Not a thing. Itching. It's not the itching that's the problem, it's the scratching. Leg. There are 5 legs in this picture. 4. What's up? 6, actually. 6 is the number that I meant. There are 5 legs. What about me? And a foot. Am I stupid? What? What about me? What? You said 6. Yeah, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here she goes. Stop barking, you dog. Don't do that! Stop barking! Poor bear. Getting a headlock with legs. You are a bad owner, Haley. We need to get you a new cone. We do. Look at this thing. Oh, not this thing that I'm petting. She's very pretty and soft. That's not a thing. She's that's very a dog. Soft. That is a dog. So soft. I just want to hug her. I just want to do this all day long. That is a dog. This is a thing. That is not a thing. This is. You like that thing? Like thing, that? Not a thing. Thing, not a thing. Thing, not a thing. Thing, not a thing. Hi, Dad.
You guys going?
What? Mom's asleep. Yeah, Mom's asleep. It's fine. A wild YouTube has appeared.